Here's the easiest way to make your webcam background blur using OBS. So first of all, you have to come to this web page, and you get this web link in my video description below. Here, just click on go to download, and in this page scroll down, and under assets you get the plugin installer. So if you're using Windows computer, then just click here installer.exe file to download it, and then go ahead and simply install this plugin. Once the plugin installed, you have to exit your OBS completely, and then go ahead and relaunch the OBS Studio. Then select your scene, and here let's add our webcam first of all. So I'm clicking on this plus under source and selecting video capture device, and click on this device drop down and select your video capture device and click on OK. Once you added your webcam source, you can resize your webcam just like this, and you can change the webcam position. Now it's time to make our webcam video background blur. To do that, select the webcam source and click on filters, and under effect filters click on this plus icon, select background removal. So these options comes from the plugin that you just installed. Click on OK, and here increase this blur background to make your webcam background blur just like this. If you want to get more settings, enable advanced settings option, and you can then adjust these thresholds, contour, smooth, silhouette, feather, blend. So I'm just unchecking this option and clicking on close. And now we can see my webcam camera video background is blurred.